Yo, listen, man, for you know, yo, from me put on the suit, you know, see, I know not normal. I want to give tribute, you know, to my customers, you know, because I really understand that the world is on a shift. Watch a shift over here, so. Watch a shift here. Yo, blue vervain, female reproduction, search me out for all who they have heart problem right now. Maca root for cognitive balance. Everybody will feel like them brain now work good. Ginger, kill the flu virus, maca root over here. So give thanks to my customers because on no customer mine on a real customer. Watch out now. Me I talk about Jamaican what? Organa? No, that's cow foot. You know what that use for? Prostating, man. Jamaican chocolate. Me I'll just find out say this cleanse the pineal gland in also put love vibration in your heart. Real chocolate before them put their milk in it. Search me out already. Self-explanatory. Yo, come over here, so. You see this here and nothing for you play with. Jamaican dandelion bean coffee for help with what? I look, what they call it when you lack sleep. One of them, when you lack sleep, this can help your kidney, liver, anything will look like bean in your body, a good feed. Fertility herb, yeah man, the lady are saying really want help. You understand? For clear up all mucus out of the, what they call the place, you know, fallopian tube, maca root, cognitive balance, what is, you know, Argana this? Argana 90 capsule. Big up yourself, man. This antiviral and antifungal natural antibiotic. Duck flower. The god of all flower, man. And what do you, man? One herb can detox you. One single flower can detox you. Natural painkiller. The yellow heart guava leaf. What do you, man? Good for all woman reproduction. What we are talking about now? Guinean weed, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antibacterial, anti-no uncle. Everything. Soursop leaf, see it and take it normal now. We know what is good for, you know. Yeah, man, it tell a lie. That the lie that canker has made, that is called cancer. Chickweed, what do you, man? Replenish the blood and the gallbladder. Yo, listen to me, man. Thank you, my customers. We can sing for you, they say I only tell. I want to say thank you for the many things you've done. Knowledge of the true virgin. For having faith in me more than all the herbalists. Yo, big up on yourself, you know, man. Love, you know, man. Yo, me can't say nothing but thanks, you know. The more me say thanks, and more what me deserve coming to me. The universe conspire to help those who follow their hearts.